What's up, everybody? This is Victor, and I'm going to talk to you today about vectors. So, if you're asking, what's a vector, Victor? A vector is it's just a math quantity with magnitude and direction. So, if I told you the store is 5 miles east from here, that's a vector because the magnitude is 5 miles and then the direction is east. So I'm going to talk to you about how to represent them in rectangular form. When we represent a vector in rectangular form, we're talking about its coordinates on a graph. So for example, this one here, if we go over 2, 1, 2, and then up 3, 1, 2, 3, then we know that this one is going to be 2, 3. Over here, we're going to go negative 1, 2, 3, 4, up 3, 1, 2, 3. So we know our coordinate is negative 4 and 3. So you know that when you've got coordinates, here we got 2, 3. And then here we got negative 4, 3. So when you see coordinates, your vector is rectangular. Also, just FYI, the point, the origin, 0, 0, we call that a zero vector. It's got zero length and an undefined direction, but it's still a vector. Probably someone else is talking about this, but as far as like the polar form, that's when you've got your magnitude, let's say it's 3 in this case, and then you have an angle, 30 degrees. So when you got your magnitude and an angle, that's polar. Coordinates are rectangular. And then just really quick, you might see them like this. So you got your magnitude and then this little angle symbol, then your angle measurement, or you might see it just like this. I think it's like this in our book. I haven't seen this little angle boy, but you could see it in either representation. So then you know that you can convert between rectangular and polar. I'm sure somebody else's discussion post is about that, but you're kind of let's say you got rectangular to polar, so you're going to make your little triangle like this. In this case, we got 4, and then we got 4 over here, and then your vector is going to be this guy here, the hypotenuse. So then you can, Pythagorean theorem, and then you can sort of then to get your angle, you can SOHCAHTOA, right? You can basically choose whichever one you want because you got all 3 sides. So that's rectangular to polar, and then polar to rectangular. You're basically going over here, and you're kind of using this r sine theta. That's for your y, and then your r cosine theta is for your x. And you just kind of plug those in. But anyway, I'm sure somebody else is doing that. That was vectors, and this is Victor. So thanks for watching.